Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. I'm Graham and today I'm going to show you around this absolutely fantastic Mercedes-Benz Motorsport Edition. Now this is an A-Class and it's an A220, so it's the 2 litre, 2.1 actually, diesel. It's the 4MATIC, so it's 4-wheel drive and it's got the automatic transmission. So what more do you need, eh? But as you can see, absolutely gorgeous. Now these are based on the AMG line, but the Motorsport Edition was brought out to celebrate, obviously, Mercedes winning in 2017 the Formula 1 World Championship. So externally we've got the Petronius green detail around the wheels, the front bumper and the rear bumper, and then inside you get the unique Petronius interior. So let's take a look. So this is a facelift car, so we've got the newer front bumper with the more moulded F1 style front bumper, and as you can see, the Petronius green little strip in the middle. Now this car's got the night package as well, so that's privacy glass, black mirror caps, slightly smoked headlamps, and then the darker front diamond encrusted grille. We've got the high performance LED headlamps, but the wheels, they're a standard sort of 18-inch style, but rather than having a silver diamond turned edge, they have the Petronius green turned edge. Now those wheels are in absolutely exceptional order. You can see that the last keeper has avoided the curbs somewhat, running on really great tyres. Mountain grey is one of the best colours, I believe, for these vehicles. Shows the lines of the A-Class off fantastically well. But looking around the vehicle, very, very nice order indeed. Passenger side front wheel again. You wouldn't want to be curbing that green edge, would you really? But looking down the side of the car on the passenger side, free from really any traffic marks or dings from trolleys. As I say, the night package gets the black detailing running down the bottom of the windows and the privacy glass as well. Just focusing in on that passenger side rear wheel. Again, in lovely order. I think one of our technicians has reconditioned and refurbed those really, really well. But a lovely motor car. I do like that Motorsport Petronius green detail on them. Just stands out, doesn't it? 4MATIC badge on the rear, so that's a 4MATIC, so a 4-wheel drive and automatic. And obviously the A220, so it's the slightly higher brake horsepower engine. So you wouldn't be wanting anything as in the performance stakes of this, but super fuel efficient, these 2.1 diesel engines also. Great looking wheels. Looking down the driver's side again, very, very nice down the swage lines. Again, nothing that would be detracted from anybody purchasing this vehicle. So we offer a £250 reservation on this one. So we'll get it ready once there's a deposit on it, so you only have to visit us once in Wigan. Bonnet itself's in lovely order. Some minor stone chips, but nothing again that we've not touched in with a pencil, but I'm just showing them minor. Again, for 55,000 miles and 5 years old, it is a lovely, lovely car throughout. 2 keys are in my pocket, so opening up the door, and this is where it stands out from a standard AMG line A-Class. Internally, very, very nice spec, so we'll run through that. You get the contrast green, again Petronius stitching. We've got the power folding mirrors, again nice option. Illuminated treads, so we can't really see that in the light, but Mercedes-Benz lights up there in the dark. Aluminium pedal set, and then the Petronius interior, so we get the stripe that's all the way up through the seats and then onto the rear seat, but that seat's in fantastic condition, as you can see. And then you get the contrast stitch on the leather outer bolsters. The centre touring seat comes out. Jumping in, I do like the detail on the air vents with the Petronius green. They do an AMG edition which has red. We've got one of them on stock as well. Maybe take a look at that. They're a petrol engine vehicle, a 250 engine in those, and this is a 220.
Profit margin of doing takeaway of 50 kit.
Turn that radio down. So 55,569 miles as we do the video. The lovely contrast stitch on the top of that dashboard as well in leather, again in the Petronius green detail, and then carbon weave style dashboard. Real racing feel inside these cars. This one's got the Garmin map pilot already installed, which is just this little SD card here, but they're about £500 when you buy these new, and then you code them to the vehicle. So that's got it on. We've got the heated front seats as well, so very nice in winter. Media systems, so we've got Bluetooth streaming, Bluetooth phone, radio. Let's just double check. We've got the DAB function on the radio as well, because again that's an option, and we've got the digital climate control rather than manual climate control. I don't smoke, and I can tell nobody's smoked in here. It doesn't have that aroma of shall we say a smoked in vehicle. Leather trimmed square bottom AMG wheel, looks fantastic and feels great in the hand. Cruise control and speed limiter, and then we've got the paddles as well if you did want to decide to drive it in the manual racing type mode. Sport model, we've then got again the wheel here, which then controls the digital dashboard and functions in the center console, so the command system and radio, media, telephone, vehicle, and we can go through the vehicle and set dynamic self-select, so we can change various functions. So as we can see there, sport on, sport off, whether it be the engine, the steering, automatic stop start, or the climate. So we can configure that to however we wish. Nice configuring on these. But yeah, what a lovely car. Parktronic front and rear, so we've got the sensors on the top of the dashboard which tells you how close you are to the corners, and then we've got a reverse camera once we select reverse on the steering column mounted gear stick. Looking in the rear of the vehicle, that again is in fantastic order. That Petronius stripe, as I did say, runs through. We've got Isofix seats in the rear, and then the contrast green stitch as well. But if you're looking for an A-class, and especially an AMG line, if you're looking for a diesel, the 2.1 diesels are as good as anything on the market, and they have the brake horsepower. Then also married to four-wheel drive, you can go anywhere, you're not stuck in winter if we did get snow. But the A-class arguably is one of our best-selling mid-size hatchbacks. We've probably got 4 or 5 always on stock. They are arguably, there's nothing really you can say about them that's negative, to be fair. Mercedes product is great, lovely in the inside, detailed interiors, fantastic exteriors, and very reliable engines. So if you'd like to reserve this, or you'd like to contact us for any more information, give us a call here in Wigan. I'm Graham, with us Lee and Dominic on sales. Either one of us will be happy to help you in any way. If you've got a part exchange, we'll give you a price over the phone. If you've got finance, you can jump on our calculator on our website, or we can get you a price on whatever. Have a look on our reviews, you'll see that we're a 5-star dealer. Lots of customers like yourselves from all over the country buying from a dealer that's been in business now more than 40 years and is still in the same ownership by the same family. Yeah, have a look on Facebook, you'll see again lots of customers picking cars up just like you've been doing and just like they have done. So at this point, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.